good morning friends. I'm Renuka, PGT English. Dear friends, every day that comes and goes, every mile the river flows, says to me and says to you, there is much to learn and do. For the river and for me, nothing more shall pass the way. Life in river goes on and on. No hurdle can stop the flow. So to go along with life, we have to face all the troubles and trials of our life very boldly and bravely. We have to face so many challenges. One of them is this eligibility test for teachers at the state level and the central level. The short form it is PTET or CTET. I know all of you have done your B.Ed. All of you are postgraduates and graduates and have taken a very good percentage. But I don't know why when it comes to the clearing of this test, PTET or CTET, very few of you are able to do it. Friends, exams are nothing but just a test. Today I am going to suggest you some of the texts which may be helpful for you, especially in the subject of English. Here, language is tested on the following modules: reading, writing, grammar and literature. Reading and writing is a matter of continuous practice. The more you practice, the better you are. For clearing this exam, please solve all comprehension passages. I would like to tell you that the CBSE board question papers of 10th and 12th class can help you a lot. The practice papers are available on all bookstalls. For this test, please do solve as many sample papers as you can. And while solving the papers, you must keep in mind that the follow-up is must. For that purpose, identify your difficult areas. Discuss with your teachers, colleagues or your friends on these difficult areas and practice them. Nobody is perfectly perfect. So we are all liable to commit the mistakes. So correction of our mistakes is must. And you must be perfect because it is language. One more thing which is most important is the solution of back exercises of NCERT textbooks from class 3 to 12. I am emphasizing on the textbooks back exercises because they give you a comprehensive practice on all these modules. They will help you in making your concepts very clear. These exercises include editing, omission, reordering, jumbled words, voices and narration. While I say practice, I want written practice. Minded students, minded friends, that writing makes you a complete man. And whenever everything is put on paper, while you write the things, they have a permanent impact on your mind. They develop the understanding of every module. You have done your B.Ed, so it is mandatory that the questions regarding teaching approach will also be asked, can be asked. The approach must be clear to you. For this approach, dear friends, all our curriculum is designed by CBSE according to the NCF 2005. NCF means the National Curriculum Framework, 2005. The following is the crest of the approach. All of you must keep these things in mind. In previous times, what happened? The teacher used to come to the class and then deliver the lecture ask the students for the difficulties and then go away, assign the homework. But now, the teaching process according to this NCF 2005 has completely undergone a change. Now the approach in teaching language and other subjects also, but I am talking about English language, we have interactive approach, we have communicative approach. For that purpose, instead of teacher-centered education, as I have already told you, that it has this emphasis has shifted to child-centered education. It is said, tell me something, I shall forget it. Show me, I may remember, but involve me, I shall never forget it. So involve the students in your teaching activities. Second is rote learning. Friends, there is no place for rote learning these days. Rote learning, what is rote learning? Rote learning is just dictate a topic and then cram it, or claim the question answers from the reference books. No. Now this has completely changed. We have to train the students in such a way that they become creative. They have their originality. The stress is on the original thinking, creative thinking of the students. Third one is no corporal punishment. Take the students as your friends. Not even the negative comments. The education system, NCF says that no negative comment is to be. We can't say the child very poor, very bad. No, always encourage them. Treat them as the flowers. They have to bloom like flowers. Only positive comments are to be given. And next one is the light bag concepts. There is no heavy bags. Their children are not to be burdened with the bags. But they have to learn through play activity, through theme classrooms, and through activity-based teaching, learning by doing, learning by activities. So slowly and steady they learn. There is learning in every situation. Even the classroom is a book. Even the environmental situations can provide you a platform for teaching. Yes, one important thing is the wholehearted preparation. Dear friends, things done by halves are never done right. When you prepare, do prepare well. So, my best wishes are with you, and I wish you are very safe, and you have got a time, devote plenty time, put all efforts, and hard work never goes unrewarded. One thing, this web chart I am giving for the general introduction of grammar, which is also an important part of our language. I'll give a separate lecture on grammar which will follow. First, please do subscribe our channel and do give the comments so that I may be motivated. Thank you and have a nice time ahead.